Okay, so I'm still dragging my feet a bit, getting my computer together and being able to edit footage again, so I thought I'd do another one of these quick update videos to show you that I'm not dead. First up, I got this cab going. Picture's not perfect, there's probably a little bit more tweaking I can do, but I've been having fun playing with it. It works great. It's good to have a vertical cab that isn't the cocktail. I've put the tube back in this. I actually put another tube I had spare in this, and it's really good. I haven't touched the convergence. It's not spot on, but I'm not complaining. It's still great game on. Couple of scratches in the screen, but not much I can do about that. Bit of work to finish those off, but yeah, they're not in the way of the car anymore, so I'm very happy. Right, now the arcade games are done, I've got the shed back to close to how it should be. It was an absolute disaster in here. I had crap everywhere rebuilding that frame, but it's done now. I got a new bike. I don't know if I covered that. Tried to fix my old bike. That's been chewing time as well. But yeah, there's not much left holding me back from getting this car underway again now, other than if arcade game number 11 turns up, I suppose. The big hurdle at the moment is this. This is my desktop PC. As you can see, it's been neglected for quite some time, and it's more than overdue for some fresh thermal paste and some dusting, because it's been unstable. I'm also going to pull out the old hard drives, because they're just ancient. Take those, stick another SSD in it, and then that should get me underway again. So there it is, just another quick update to let you guys know where I'm at with all of this. Sorry I haven't got it moving on again, but summer's cold, state's been on fire, and I like building arcade games, so that's what you get. Alright, cheers.